Hey everyone, welcome to part 3 of our kitchen design series. We've already done the 2D plan in AutoCAD and the 3D model in 3D Max. Now it's time to add materials in V-Ray. In this video, I'll show you how to create realistic wood, backsplash stone, super matte high glass, and even interior lighting for glass cabinets. Stay with me till the end. First, I'm going to create the wood material. For that, I need a high quality texture, which I've already prepared. For the wood material, I keep the reflect value very low because wood naturally doesn't have much reflection. However, to give it a natural and semi-glossy look, I set the glossiness to 0.85. This makes the light reflect in a realistic way without making it look too shiny or artificial. Coat is a clear, reflective layer you add to a material to make it look more real, but since wood isn't super glossy, I set the coat amount to 0.5 and the coat glossiness, which handles the shine, to 0.7. To add surface details to the wood, I'm just going to use the same texture as before. I just need to turn it black and white, and that's it. Anisotropic is a material setting that affects how light reflects off a surface. When you enable it, the light reflects in a stretched directional way instead of a uniform circular pattern. It's perfect for materials like wood, brushed metal, or certain fabrics since it makes the render look more realistic. For example, with wood, you can make the light reflections follow the grain lines. To tweak my texture, I'm using color correction based on the reference. It's better to make our wood a little darker. So I'll set the gamma contrast to 0.85 and bump up the saturation a bit. It looks like the wood in the reference has a slight reddish tone. So I'll add just a tiny amount of red to it. All right, now that we've created our wood material, let's take a test render to see how it looks. I think our wood looks a bit dark and the saturation is pretty high. It could use a little more of a matte finish, so let's lower the glossiness a bit to reduce the shine and make it look more matte. Next up, we'll work on creating super matte high gloss metal, glass, backsplash stone, and lighting materials for inside glass showcases together. If you're enjoying my tutorials, I'd really appreciate a like to keep me motivated for more. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll definitely answer. All right. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Let me know in the comments what tutorials you'd like me to make next. I'd love to hear your thoughts.